Hello, I'm Diksha Vaiti, working as an intern at Pixel Apps.
The mobile industry is continuously evolving. Many experts have already said that the mobile app development industry is one of the fastest growing industries and that it shows no signs of slowing down in the future as well. Developing a mobile app can be considered as one of the important steps of a successful brand or business. Many big brands and businesses have started making huge investments in the mobile app development industry. Many small brands and businesses have too now taken a dive into the app development industry by building mobile applications after realizing the importance and advantages of mobile apps for their brands or business. App development trends are impacted by a number of factors such as technology advancement, consumer demands, and various other factors. App developers have to always stay updated with the latest trends. New app trends are constantly introduced which help to build bigger and better apps. Let us look at some of the biggest app development trends in 2020. First, machine learning and artificial learning. Artificial learning, that is AI, and machine learning, that is ML, are not new anymore. They have now been in trend in the past few years. The app market for artificial intelligence has been predicted to reach $1.91 billion by the year 2024. Due to this, many companies are planning to combine human intelligence with the system. Machine learning has also proved to be very useful to provide valuable data and real-time analytics for mobile app development projects. The AI and MI trends in 2020 are AI automated DevOps through IOOps, AI-enabled chips, automated machine learning, and interoperability among neural networks. Second, 5G technology. 4G was one of the most anticipated and talked about technology in the mobile industry. But 5G is now going to be the next big and significant technology in the coming years. The network speed will definitely increase immensely compared to 4G, and apart from the speed, the 5G technology will also provide 3D gaming, augmented reality, data security. Third, Internet of Things. IoT has now been in trend for many years. Internet of Things is a vast network of interconnected digital, mechanical, and computing devices that enable the exchange and transfer of data and information. Many smart devices such as smartwatches, brands, shoes, etc. and smart gadgets can be connected to smartphones using IoT. The IoT trends in 2020 are smart homes and smart areas, routers equipped with more securities, self-driving cars, IoT in healthcare. Fourth, augmented reality versus virtual reality. With the release of ARKit by Apple and ARCore by Google, the app development of iOS and Android have boosted immensely. AR and VR are now trending in every possible industry such as retail, healthcare, education, travel, fashion, beauty, and whatnot. AR and VR trends in 2020 are mobile AR disruption, AR in marketing and advertisement, AR in healthcare, AR in manufacturing. Fifth, cloud-based mobile apps. Cloud technology provides you with extra storage. Cloud-based mobile applications use cloud technology to store and organize all or any data in the cloud storage rather than the device storage. Cloud-based mobile applications also provide much better and smoother user experience, reduce cost in hosting, improve loading capacity, streamline business operations, and security. Cloud computing trends in 2020 are quantum computing, hybrid cloud solutions, evolution of cloud services and solutions. Sixth, mobile wallets. The rise in e-commerce and online banking has paved its way to many different payment options, mobile wallets being one of the most popular ones. Payment apps like Apple Pay, Google Pay, Samsung Pay are now widely used all over the globe. Mobile wallet integration has now become one of the standard trends. The mobile wallet trends in 2020 are over 2 billion mobile user wallets, more secure mobile wallets, contactless payment. Now coming to the conclusion, it is very important to stay up to date with the latest trends as well as technologies to keeping up with ever-changing customer demands as well as the competition. These trends keep changing with years. Any trend popular today might not be trending some years later, as the mobile industry is a constantly evolving one. Hence, it is necessary to research and include only the necessary trends rather than trying to incorporate all of them at once. What trend excites you the most? Do you guys have any favorite trend or any of the trends which you might think is here to stay for a long time? Do let us know in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching the video. If you are looking for a professional mobile app development company, do check out Pixel Apps. The link is given in the description box down below.